What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today we are discovering another amazing discovery by scientists in the world that I definitely think you should know about. So today we're looking at scientists who have discovered glow-in-the-dark wood. And so using fungi, they are able to create naturally lighting trees which glow in the dark. And so right off the bat, you might be thinking to yourself, of what use is this? I mean, why would I want my trees to be glowing? But this is very important. And so today we're going to be looking at how it works and maybe how it came to be. And so diving into it a little more, I was able to discover that researchers at EMPA, Switzerland, led by Francis Schwartz, created bioluminescent wood using naturally glowing fungus. So going through this article, I was able to see that. So this project uses the ringless honey fungus. It's known as the ringless honey fungus, which produces bioluminescence compound called luciferin. And so is this luciferin component that makes it glow in the dark, or that makes wood glow in the dark. So basically I'll spare you all the scientific jargon, but in short, what it does is that it allows trees to glow in the dark. And so using this specific components of that specific fungus. So you can head over to this article and read the details about this, but I'll just show you a video which kind of demonstrates this very well. So as you can see, you have plants which are able to glow in the dark. So this is going to provide lighting, in the most dark spots. So as you could see from the initial illustration, you have this forest which is in a public park, and it's able to glow in the dark. So instead of putting lampposts that are going to be maybe costly and are going to be difficult to maintain, you can have these beautiful beech trees which are basically going to just glow in the dark and provide all of the lighting that you need to walk around, And so with this, you can already imagine all the applications, Already this is natural lighting. That's the first thing you have to understand. Like, it's natural lighting. You don't need any energy. You don't need any bulbs. You don't need any energy source. You don't need to plug the trees into anything. We use a fungus which lights up naturally. So this is already a huge advantage. And so secondly, I think you can already imagine all of this in the right spots, the right places. You can put this bunch of trees like everywhere, and you have a beautiful lit area just with natural light that shows on at the appointed time and that goes off at the appointed time. So this is an amazing discovery, and I think I look forward to seeing some of these around, areas which need it the most. One downside of this is that you don't get to choose a color. So I guess they just show you one specific color, but I think I can find a way to work with that. Green is already a decent color enough. And secondly, another thing too is maybe the brightness. You don't get to choose the brightness. Maybe they can tweak, you can tweak the DNA of the fungus and get it to the pumping all of that energy and giving us maybe bright light or white light. I don't know, but I'm guessing the scientists are going to figure that one out. So, but this is an amazing discovery, and I look forward to seeing this becoming mainstream and going all around town. So what do you think? Are there some disadvantages to this? Is this going to be a good thing in your neighborhood, having trees that are going to provide the lighting you need? Or do you think this is just a wastage of, scientific intelligence? So let me know in the comment section. But I think personally, I appreciate this discovery, and I think it's going to do some amazing things. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.